Hello guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today in this video I'm going to say how to use Gmail. So come, let's start. So first you need to type here www.gmail.com www.gmail.com. So if you are having that bookmarked Gmail, you can just click on that bookmarked once. Then first, I'm going to say how to send. So you need to go to compose. Then this one box will come here. I'll just uh, make it big so it'll be better. Then you can type to whom you are sending the mail. You can type the mail or you can type the name. Just type the name so it'll be easy. So in CC means you can send it to two persons. BCC means you can send it to triple persons. And another thing, you can just type one more name um, side of that, means after this name, like I just type somewhat this. Then you can cross out this if you don't want. Then subject, like subject you can type it as like chatting, because this I am going to show this as a sample. And I'll just I'll just type something in the body of the letter. So this is the thing, and you from here you can formatting options. These are the formatting options. Like you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it you can underline that, and you can text it. Like you have to select that and you will just click on that and make it. Then after doing that you can attach file. Just click on that and you can attach file. After that you can just click on this emojis. Then you can just do some emojis if you want. Then after that I have said I will just attach some file and show. It will just take time. I'll just show. It will just come. Then somewhat the screen will come like this. You can just select whatever you want. Then you need to click on open. And then it will just start loading. Then after loading, it will be ready and you can send. Click on send and it will start sending. At that time, I'll just show how to do some background options. I'll just show that. You need to go to settings. Then you need to click on that whatever you want. Or else you can view all and you can pick anything and you can just pick. I'll just pick and show. Pick on that and you can just save. And then it will start saving. So it will come like this. And then you can view that and see, you can view that. And another thing, I'll just show how the who will, to whom you send, how they will get it. They need to go to primary and see, or social or promotion. I have sent from here. Then you need to click that and you can just reply whatever you want. Hi, how are you? Hi, I got it. Hey, what's up? Then you can select whatever you want. Then you can select I got it. Then you need to click on send. Then it starts sending. So another thing I am going to say that how you can star it or you can unstar it, you can make it important or you can make it in unimportant or you can make it important. Whatever you want you can do. Hi. Then you can Gmail itself you can just start Google Meet or you can join any meeting. These and all things I'm going to show in my next videos. And you can just see start means then you can snooze. If you have any snooze you can just see the important things. Then send whatever you say. Then this is the thing I'm going to say here. Then you can social. In social there is then some Facebook or in YouTube promotions means from school or anything promote you are promoted or anything it will come somewhat like that. Then so this much is my video. So till then bye bye. Hello guys, hi! You liked my video now? So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share to friends and families. And I think this was a special and very important video and you must be wondering that why I'm wearing this headphones as there is so noise in my background. So I wore this headphone. So till then, bye bye, bye bye, and see you all. Bye.